In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create estimates, quotes, or bids in QuickBooks Online. If you need to send a client a clear price proposal before starting work, QuickBooks Online makes the process simple and professional. An estimate, quote, or bid is essentially a document that outlines the products or services you plan to provide and how much they will cost. This is helpful for setting expectations, avoiding confusion, and giving your clients something they can review before approving the job. To get started, go to the top left corner of QuickBooks Online and click the Create button. This opens the menu where you can quickly begin different types of transactions. From that list, select Estimate. This will open a new estimate form where you can begin entering the details for your clients. The first thing you'll want to do is choose your customer. In the Customer field, select the correct client from your list. This step is important because QuickBooks uses that customer profile to connect the estimate to the right account and contact information. If your customer details are already saved, this can also help speed up the process and reduce manual entry. Next, add your products or services. In the Line Items section, enter each product or service you want to include in the estimate. Be as accurate as possible here so your client can clearly understand what is being proposed. If you already have products and services set up in QuickBooks, you can simply select them from the list. If not, you may need to enter the information manually depending on your setup. After that, input the pricing for each item. Make sure the rates, quantities, and totals reflect exactly what you intend to charge. This is the part your client will pay the most attention to, so it's worth taking a moment to review everything carefully before moving on. A clean and accurate estimate helps build trust and makes your business look more organized. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Send. This allows you to email the estimate directly to your client from within QuickBooks Online, which is a convenient way to keep everything in one place. Before sending, it's always a good idea to quickly review the estimate one last time to make sure the customer, services, and pricing are all correct. That's it. Once sent, your client can review the estimate and respond based on your normal process. And that's how to create estimates, quotes, or bids in QuickBooks Online.